Hi everybody, welcome to Willis Elevators, and I'd like to give you another hotel tour. And we're going to be touring the Gamma Hotels in Centro Histórico, Guadalajara, in Guadalajara, Mexico. Let's start first with the lobby. And here's the lobby. Right here is the, I don't know what this area is. Right there is the MPE. Here are the public restrooms. And right there is the front desk. And here you have your two computers. A business center with two computers, social distancing, and over here, I don't want to get those people on picture. Here you have a breakfast area, social distancing. That's where you probably pay. Here are the rules here. Plus, if you want to read, and there's the entrance right there, and let's go tour the elevator now. And here's where you rent a bike. And you know what those elevators are, right? That's right, they're a notice. We're gonna go up to the mezzanine. I don't know how you say it. That's where you get your hand sanitizer. And here's the service elevator, which I'm not gonna get in there. And here's the other elevator. It's called that. That one's coming, this one's coming down. Just need to point out the camera. Okay, let's go to MZ. Whoa, we're going down. We're at the parking level. We're going up. Somebody's getting on. I may need to get off of here. Voy arriba. There's where you put your key card in. Here at the MZ. Alright. That elevator's out of order. There it goes. Now let's see, where's the fitness center? Right, and here's the conference room. Right here is the public restroom. There's a party going on, so I'm gonna have to talk over, because there's music in there. And here's again the MPE. And here the door goes to the rooms. Here you have your pole station. I have no idea where the fitness center is, but we're here at the MZ. Let's take a look up. Let's take a look over here somewhere. Oh, and here's the fitness center. All right, it's closed right now. Oh no, it's not. But here's where you get your hand sanitizer. And here I have a treadmill. Here's that big TV, and here's where you answer your phone. There's a ball right there. I have no idea where those doors lead to, so let's see if there's anything else we can tour. This is a conference room, so I'm not gonna get in there. Let me get my hand sanitizer. If not, if we don't find anything else, we're gonna tour the room. Let's go back up on the elevators and we're gonna check out the room now. They're both on PB. here it comes. My room is on the fourth floor. Voy a subir.
Sí. Bajen.
I'm sorry about that, guys. Anyways, let's get a cat view. We like this elevator. Hey, look in the mirror. Hey, social distancing. Again, here are the fixtures. You were at 4. All right. There it goes. Now let's go check out the room. Out here is where you sit. And I have no idea where that goes to. And here is the view of the building. I'm staying in room 4423. And here's my room, 4423. We're gonna pause it here and do the room tour. All right, this is going to be the hotel room tour here at the Gamma Hotels in Centro Histórico in Guadalajara, Mexico. We are here in room 4423, and let's tour the room now, shall we? Here's the key card. If you're coming here, you have a nice looking room. Here's the evacuation plan. Right there's the little hole. It's got the lights on. Here is the look of this room, and here you have 2 queen-size beds, so I do like. Here you have your phone and no alarm clock, and right there's the lamp. And right here you have the LG big screen TV, and here's the workstation with the lamp, and here's a mirror here. Hello. And here's a view outside of Centro Histórico, and it's a nice day here in Guadalajara. And there's some guys working there. So let's check out the bathroom now. Here's the beautiful painting. Here's a thermostat. And right here's the safe with hooks and the ironing board. Check out the bathroom now. Whoop. Look at the mirror. Hey, here's the sink. Right here's the commode, which is a standard. It should be an American standard. Here's the shower, and there's a shower head. Let's turn on the shower. I like this shower head a lot. A rainfall shower. Right there are the soaps or shampoos. So, oops. What you guys think of this room? You like it? So, well, hope you all enjoyed the room tour of the Gamma Hotels in Centro Histórico in Guadalajara, Mexico. And that's going to be it. Thank you all for watching, and that's it.